Well, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Love to Create by Tonya. Today I've got a DIY tip that I'd like to share with you, and it has to do with these Dollar Tree signs. I'm sure everyone has noticed that Dollar Tree is really improving, the style of their signs, and I'm loving the color theme and the way they're putting it together, but they still just put that glitter on there. And I don't know about you, but I'm not a big fan of the glitter myself. And so I've come up with a technique that's going to help you get rid of that glitter and then add just a few little details to the artwork that is already on here. And then you're going to be able to take some of the Waverly matte varnish and just go over this design, and it gives it just more of a farmhouse look. And you can see how I've just kind of brightened up and detailed all of these letters. And I love the fact that it's not that much work, and it's not a whole lot of difference, but it's enough difference that it takes away that glittery look. And if you like the glitter, leave the glitter. I just happen to like more of that aged look on my lettering, and I thought that that would be fun to share that with you today. So we're going to do a couple of those, and then I've got a couple of DIYs. I'll show you some pictures right up here of some shelves that I'm going to be decorating. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the pictures today of all of the items that I put together from our local Goodwill, Restore, and Dollar Tree, and I've got them displayed on my shelf. And then in the next DIYs coming up this weekend, I'm going to take all those items and have them redone in the style that I would like them to be decorated in for my decor in my home. Well, let's go ahead and get started on that little tip today, and I'm going to show you how I took this Dollar Tree sign and give it more of that aged farmhouse look. I'll talk to you at the end. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's DIY tips. I know I'm really happy with how simple it was to change up these little Dollar Tree signs. And if you did enjoy this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so. And if you are a subscriber, I thank you so much for your support. And I will see you this weekend with those DIY redos. Talk to you then. Bye. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed it. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's DIY tip, and I just love how my little signs have turned out. And if you did enjoy this video, I hope you will consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Oh my God, I blame it on the glasses. Okay. All right. Cut. Starting over. Okay. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed Tuesday. Fix my hair. Okay, blooper. Well, I think I might have flattened my hair too much today. It's really, really flat. Oh, okay. There. Oh well, it's okay. Okay.